Hello, today I have prepared a video about connectors that indicate contrast. For example, although, though, however, even though, and but. Let's continue. Let's read the examples. Number 1. My sister is sick, although she doesn't want any medicine. Now, as we can see, although indicates contrast. Now, if my sister is sick, she should take some medicine, but no, she doesn't want any medicine. Let's continue. Number 2. Dana has a car, however, she takes a bus every day. Number 3. Mr. Hill is obese, even though he continues eating fast food. And the last one, Roger has a lot of homework, though he wants to go dancing today. Now, let's check the structure. Subject, verb, and complement. The second clause is the same. Subject, verb, and complement. Now, remember the punctuation. Before the connector, we have to use a period, and after the connector, we have to use a comma. Finally, let's complete the following exercises. Number 1. Gary is hungry, but he doesn't want to eat anything. Number 2. Jennifer is at the disco, although she can't dance at all. And finally, Larry wants to travel to the beach, even though she doesn't have any money. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon.